morning from this beautiful riverside camp. We are cooking breakfast on the fire this morning because we are out of gas, like you would have seen last episode, but we're also out of a few ingredients. So I'm going to try and whip up some sort of breakfast cake with some unconventional ingredients, but I think it's going to work. I've tried it before and it's delicious, but...
Oh, we don't have any banana.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I think if I substitute...
Good morning.
If I substitute yogurt for banana, I think it'll work.
Perfect. Have we got any sugar?
No, but we've got honey.
Okay, perfect. All right, today's kettle is taking a while to boil because we don't have much wood here, but it seems to be working just fine. And like Megan said, we are in paradise. We've woken up so damn happy today. We wake up happy every day, but today's extra happy.
The sound of the birds is just so beautiful. There's so many birds here. It's crazy.
There's so many birds. But anyway, we're going to cook this brekkie and we have to... Did you already say we're out of gas? We're out of gas. So we're going to cook it in the pot today. How's it going? Bloody mess, mate.
Just a little bit.
Made a bit of a mess.
I think it's good. Hopefully it serves breakfast for tomorrow as well, so we don't have to worry about it.
Oh,
tomorrow. But,
more of a mess.
don't ask me for a recipe though, because I just chucked a bunch of stuff in and hope for the best.
Classic. All right.
There you go.
I'm going to pour it in the pot, eh? Let's see. I've been warming it up. Hopefully it's not too hot on the top. Nope. There we go. Got some coconut oil in there. And this should do it.
Do you need us?
Oh, I stuffed it up.
Help?
Oh, no. Probably. Just pull that baking paper up with the spoon. All right, it's all in there. Remember what it looks like? Hopefully it changes when it's done.
Did we burn it?
I think we might have burnt it. I might have burnt it. Let's find out. Ooh,
Cake.
it's all right. Actually looks glorious. Oh, look.
Doesn't
How
look
good's
too
that?
bad.
I don't know why I've just put it in there. Oh, it's burnt on the bottom.
That's not too bad.
Oh, it's very hot. It's actually good. It's crunchy. It's not actually burnt.
So after yesterday's little hike and how much I struggled to just do 4-kilometer walk, I think it's pretty obvious I have not been prioritizing exercise lately. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. But to be perfectly honest, I really don't feel like it. I cannot be bothered. Usually in these situations, we'll go for a little walk. But I figured since we've got a campsite all to ourselves and we've got a little bit of reception, it's the one opportunity I get to do a fitness marshal workout. So if you've never heard of Fitness Marshall, go and look him up. He does little dance workouts. I've just got so many of them saved into a watch later file on YouTube. So I can just pick maybe like 5 little dance workouts, gives you a 20-minute workout and you sweat so much. But if you've never seen his videos, go and look him up, because even without doing the workout, just watching him gives you such an endorphin high. It's crazy. So hopefully I can maybe get myself back into the swing of a bit of exercise this morning.
What are you doing, Megan?
I think I stepped in poo. Does that look like poo to you?
I thought that smell was you.
I
That's
think
disgusting.
It is as well. I need a shower real bad.
All right, we're going to set up the shower, but I don't think we've got much water left in the tank. So we're going to fill our bottles up first and go from there. You might be having a 5-litre shower.
Well, could I just do half and half? I don't mind a bit of like river water. I just need to wash my hair.
Yeah, right. We'll just see how much.
It smells so bad.
We'll see how much water we've got.
So we just made our way to Yeppoon today. We stopped in at Rockhampton and we did some groceries and filling up and all that sort of thing.
Dump
So,
point.
Big drive today.
Talked to someone at the dump point while I was dumping the dump. So it was very embarrassing. I don't know why people do it, eh?
Well, I feel like if it was me, I would just wait in my car until...
This bloke was straight out,
Yeah.
up for a chat. There I am. I'm just thinking, oh God. It was so embarrassing. But yeah, the weather has turned on us, eh?
Yeah, well, it's not... At the moment, we've got a bit of a sunny patch, but it's still very, very windy outside. But
It's raining as well.
Come to the little waterfront here, and I feel like on a good day, it would be really, really nice. So
Yeah.
I do want to go for a little walk. Hopefully, we don't get stuck in the rain or anything like that.
Right, we're at a crossroads. We found an ice cream shop and we found a coffee shop, cafe, and it's another one of those things where we want to ask you guys what we can get, but we can't. So, should we get hot chocolate or ice cream?
Okay, we got hot chocolate.
Hot chockies.
No regrets.
And I'm sure
A little bit of regret, actually.
a lot of you would have thought hot chockey as well. All right, we're off to our next stop of the day. What's it called?
Byfield National Park.
Byfield National Park. Someone's in our camp spot. Not cool, buddy. But there's heaps of them free, so I'm thinking we just pick one. What do you reckon? If someone comes,
I don't know, maybe we just
we've never had this happen before.
hang out until later in the afternoon and then go pick one, maybe.
Yeah.
Just in case, like, we end up being the bad guy in someone else's spot.
Bloody mate, what are you doing in our camp spot?
There were better ones over there anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the better ones. This is the lengths we'll go to avoid confrontation.
We're booking a different site.
Booking another one. But we're only paying for one adult.
Yeah.
I refuse to pay for two again because
Well,
we've
I
already...
mean, it would be easier to just say, excuse me, I think you might be in our spot. But
It would be
we won't.
easier, but we're too nice. So this is our camp spot. I reckon this one's better anyway because we have steps to the waterhole right there, and our campsite is not bad. It's pretty good. Pretty happy with it, eh? Have you booked it yet?
Trying to figure it out with 2 bars of 3G.
Queensland National Parks booking system's not easy, eh?
Nah, this is the easiest state of all of them.
Which one was the hard one?
I think it was New South Wales.
New
maybe.
South Wales.
Or maybe it was getting used to this one, but I can't remember now.
Anyway, Megan's got it sussed. We're going to set up and we're going to go check out. Apparently there's heaps of turtles down there, so I'm keen to see some turtles. Quick, they're everywhere. There's mozzies everywhere.
Oh my god, they're swarming.
Whoa, that's disgusting. How bad is that stuff? Oh my god. There's my sexy legs for you.
How bad.
Look, you probably see it on camera, flying around. Yeah, you can. There he is.
I wonder if you can see the condition of, like, no, that's just a mozzie bite, but the amount
Sorry,
of,
that stuff's bad.
the amount of
sniffing, eh?
oh, here it is on this side of my leg. All
Terrible,
the
eh?
bites we've been getting over the
Not
last
good.
few months of.
So yes, there's mozzies everywhere. All right, we're all set up. Don't know why the toilet's there. Oh, we just dumped it, that's why.
all set up.
Oh, guys, check this out. Can't even lift it with one hand. How is the size of this pineapple? We seen them in Woolies and we're like, we just got to buy one. $3. How much were they?
Is that $3.50?
$3.50. Apparently, a guy in Yeppoon grows them, brings them in every day. Local farmer. How good's that? That is honestly, it's just massive.
I cannot wait to get into
What
that.
are you doing?
We're probably not going to be sitting outside,
No,
are we?
no.
With these mozzies.
No way. I reckon we go for a little look down for some turtles.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let's go. Oh, look at this. I think I just saw a turtle.
Do you have to be quiet for turtles?
Oh, I think so.
It's not platypuses.
Look at that. That's incredible.
Wow.
We were not expecting this, were we?
No, that's so blue.
Look at that, guys. That is beautiful.
Wonder how cold it is.
Let's find out. Dip your little
Oh, look at all the
midgies.
buggies.
Is it cold? Give it a touch, mate. It's cold?
Yeah.
Is it really?
It's not like freezing. I've definitely swum in colder.
Oh, that's cold. What a special place. Hey,
I wish it was swimming
if
weather.
it was sunny. This is something we learnt a few days ago. Freshwater stonefish. Megan didn't believe
I
it.
didn't know it was a thing. Well, I didn't not believe it. I was ignorant, that's all.
Yeah. Every time I see Megan go in the water, particularly in places like this, I always say, try not to put your feet on the floor. And it's exactly what that sign says. That's the first sign we've seen. We keep seeing, is that a turtle? What are those bubbles? It's just random bubbles coming up.
I think they're on that side.
We'll go have a look. Check out the other side.
Okay, we couldn't spot any turtles and now the rain's picked up a bit more. So we're inside and we actually get asked quite often what we do when the weather is bad. But I feel like we're probably not the best people to ask because
No.
I'll just edit. Like, I could happily just edit for an entire day. So yeah, not your average holiday
Not at all.
lapper, I guess. But maybe on our first lap when we went so into, you know, YouTube and all that sort of thing, we would just play Monopoly Deal and
Watch Netflix.
watch Netflix. And
Talking
that's about it.
talking about Netflix, we've been watching a show called what's it called?
Street food.
Street Food, and we've watched all of them, and I've been inspired. So I was thinking, what can I do while Megan edits? Remember that pineapple I showed you? I'm going to cut it straight down the middle like that. I'm going to try and gut it and turn the pineapple into plates. And I'm going to make fried rice with a bit of pineapple through it. I know people are going to hate that, eh?
It's Thai style.
I'm going to make a Thai-style pineapple fried rice.
Wow, this smells so good.
Oh, it's come
This
up
is
a
the
treat.
most gourmet thing we've done in ages.
All right, so I'm going to stuff it into the pineapples. And I'm not going to put any pineapple on top because I reckon it's just going to come up like the flavours.
I'd
So-
rather save that for our breakfast.
I've used chicken tenderloins this time. You didn't know that, did you?
Fancy.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, the diet's gone, guys.
We're not going to eat all of that, are we?
No.
Thank God.
I just want to make it look good. We should start a restaurant, mate.
We should. Or a food truck. And live in it at the same time.
Oh. How good is this? We just need a spoon. Give it a taste. How's it taste? Can you taste pineapple?
No, can't really taste pineapple.
10 out of 10?
No, I'll give it a 9.
Yeah, I'll taste it. That's glorious.
Okay, stop eating with your mouth full. I mean, talking with your mouth full.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next episode. All right. Oh no, that didn't work very well. Now we have a lot less water. Far out. What's wrong?
So cold. Oh my God.
Is it cold? So we're just trying to figure out what this is. It's a very interesting piece of art. Some of you may have a dirty mind like myself.